Hello everyone, welcome to my channel English Airways. In this today's video, I'm going to cover letter writing, a very important section जो 9 to 12 हर एक क्लास में हमारा लेटर राइटिंग का टॉपिक आता है, अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक। और ये एक ऐसा टॉपिक है जिसमें बच्चे मैक्सिमम गलतियां भी करते हैं और ये बहुत स्कोरिंग पोर्शन भी हो सकता है। So in today's video I am going to tell you some tips and tricks so that you all can score very good marks in this topic. So let's begin with the topic. So first of all, I just want to tell you that letters are of two types, formal letters and informal letters. So informal letters, which letters are going to be covered? First is business letters. Business letter में क्या क्या आएगा? Inquiry letters, order, if we want to place some order, that will also come under business letter. If we want to return something or we want that the thing should be replaced, that also comes under this business letter. Then we'll have complaint of goods, item, products, etc. Suppose you ordered something, some item, some product, but that item or the product has some defect. So the letter of complaints, they also come under this formal letter. Then letter to the editor. Then applications, we have two types under applications. One is to the principal, second is for job application. Then second type is informal letters. In this, the first one is to the friends and second is to our family. So in these two types I will be covering thank you letters, apology letters, condolence letters and invitation letters. So in this slide I have told you that letters are of two types, formal and informal letters. So in the next slide I will be covering the format of the formal letters. See, if you want to score full marks, 5 marks, 6 marks, 100% marks in this letter writing, so we must know about the format of the formal letters. So in every letter there are two persons, one is sender and second is the addressee or the receiver of the letter. So in the beginning of the format, we must keep in mind that sender's address must cover these two lines. यहाँ मैक्सिमम बच्चे क्या गलती करते हैं, आप बच्चे एक ही लाइन में इसको कवर करते हैं. नो, यू मस्ट take two lines for the sender's address, and these are also the particular things, like in first line you must write the house number, the area, the locality or the street in which the sender is living, and second line is meant only for city. Then we are to leave one line, that one line, and then we are supposed to write the date. If the date is mentioned in the letter, then that particular date, otherwise you are supposed to write any date. Then after date you are supposed to leave one line. Then receivers or addressees address, इसके लिए भी हमारे पास पर्टिकुलर लाइंस में हमें क्या लिखना है वो ध्यान में रखना है. इन द फर्स्ट लाइन वी विल बी राइटिंग डेजिग्नेशन. In the second line we will be writing department or name of the company or organization, and in the third line we will be writing the city. After this receiver's address, we'll have to leave one line once again. Then we are to write subject. Maximum student, they write the subject as SUB. No, you are to write this complete SUBJECT, and the whatsoever the subject is, you are supposed to underline that subject. Then salutation means to whom to whom we are going to address that particular letter, that is salutation. Then after salutation we will be writing the body of the letter, means about what the letter is, what is the problem, solution or the remedies. So we will be covering under this body. Then we will writing complimentary close. Then after this complimentary close we will be writing sender's name and the designation if it is given in that particular question. So this is the format of the formal letters. So in this next slide we will be covering this formal letter by the example. Like first is you are Akshay. So students, the main thing you will keep in mind while writing the letter writing, that you must very well aware of the question. Means कि जब क्वेश्चन में जो लिखा हुआ है, you must be in the habit to read the question thoroughly, so that each and every point will be written in that particular letter. So for example, in this letter it is written you are Akshay. So whatsoever your name is, leave that. In this particular question of letter writing, your name is Akshay. You are means you are the sender, you are the person who is writing the letter, so you are the sender. So your name is Akshay, your address house number is 20, and your area is mentioned Model Town, and you are a resident of Karnal city. So this complete is the sender's name, address, right? People in your area are suffering from problem of polluted water supply. So this is the problem which we are writing in that, which we are covering in that letter. Write a letter to the editor of a newspaper about it. So we are supposed to write the letter to the editor of a newspaper. So as I have told you in the previous slide, that in the first two lines we will be covering the address of the sender. So I have taken this address from there in the question itself. So once again I am telling you that you must read the question thoroughly. So in the first line I have written here house number, then area of the sender, and then city of the sender. And then you are supposed to leave one line. After that you are supposed to write the date. To write the date, these are the two styles, we can say two patterns. One is March, first write name of the month, then date, then put a comma, and then year. Or second pattern is you can write 27th March 2023. इसके अलावा कोई भी तरीका लेटर राइटिंग में डेट लिखने का वो बिल्कुल गलत माना जाएगा. These two ways of writing the date is the most appropriate one. You can choose either of the dates. So after that leave one line. Then you are supposed to write the designation of the addressee. See, you are supposed to write a letter to the editor. So he is the addressee to whom we are addressing this letter. It is a designation of the addressee. So in the first line we are supposed to write the editor, then the Hindustan Times, the department of that person, the editor, and then city. Then also we are supposed to leave one line. After that we are supposed to write subject. Subject I have taken from there, problem of polluted water supply. And here in the next slide we are going to address the addressee. Salutation. Dear sir, may I use the column of your newspaper to draw the attention of the concerned authorities toward the problem of polluted water supply in our area. See, these are the common lines which you are supposed to write as and when the question of letter to editor will come in the exam. ये जो लाइनें ये आपके हर एक पेपर में आएंगी except this प्रॉब्लम ऑफ पोल्यूटेड वाटर सप्लाई इन आवर एरिया. ये आपका टुवर्ड्स तक आपका बिल्कुल सेम रहेगा. इसके बाद आपकी जो भी प्रॉब्लम पेपर में क्वेश्चन में गिवन है आपको वो लाइन लिखनी है. इसके बाद ये भी हमारी कुछ लाइन है जो बिल्कुल कॉमन लाइंस हैं. द प्रॉब्लम इज ग्रेव, इट मे बिकम डेंजरस, पीपल आर सफरिंग अ लॉट ड्यू टू इट, द इफेक्ट्स ऑफ कैटास्ट्रॉफिक. These lines are also the same lines you can take in any of the letter to editor. The residents of our locality have complained to the concerned authorities many times, but no action has been taken. I hope the concerned authorities will look into the matter and relieve us of this problem. I request you to publish the article in your newspaper. Thanking you. See, this is the common matter which you can take in all the letters to the editor except this problem. Otherwise all the lines are very common. So meaning thereby, if you have learned these lines thoroughly, if you have learned this complete body thoroughly, your 5 marks will be my guarantee that you all will score full marks 5 out of 5 in the question. So in the end, as I have told you, we are supposed to add the complementary clause. So it is yours truly and your name is given in the previous slide as Akshay. So you are supposed to write that. One more example I would like to take. You are Ajay Kumar, a student of class 11th year of Government Senior Secondary School Ambala. Write an application to the principal of your school requesting him to grant you sick leave. So this is also one more type of formal letters. So in this letter you are supposed to write directly the addressee's address as the principal, Government Senior Secondary School Ambala. I have taken this complete address, name of the school, name of the city from the question itself. So once again I am reminding you, you are to read the question thoroughly, you are to read the question very minutely again and again, then leave one line, then write this date. These two patterns I have already discussed, but in the exam you have to write only one. You can't write these two, you must write this, or either this or this. Then leave one line and write subject. Subject is sick leave. From where I have taken this? I have taken this from the question itself. After that, respected sir, it is stated that I am a student of class 11th of your school. My roll number is 124. See, as and when we are supposed to write the application of the principal, letter to the principal, uh, starting from it is stated up to this roll number, these two lines will come in any of the application letter to the principal. These are the common lines. After that, I've written, I am suffering from high fever. The doctor advised me complete bed rest for 2 days, so I cannot come to school. And then the doctor's report is also attached. Kindly grant me leave for 2 days. See, जो आप बच्चे एक और गलती करते हैं, आप लिख देते हैं लीव फॉर 2 days 1 day, बट विदाउट मैंशनिंग दीज डेट्स. दीज आर वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. विदाउट दिस योर लेटर इज इनकम्प्लीट. सो कीप इन माइंड, यू मस्ट राइट दीज डेट्स ऑल्सो. और these the matter starting from this I shall up to here, this is also common in all the application, all the letters of the principal. I shall be very thankful to you, yours obediently. One thing you must keep in mind, I have written yours yours and obediently का मैंने o जो है वो small रखा है. तो आपको ये सब चीज का आप ध्यान रखना होगा. In the end, I would like to remind all of you important points to be taken care of while writing these formal letters. So number one is clarity about formal and informal letters. Many of you might have thought, yeah, might be thinking कि in the question paper we are not supposed to distinguish between formal and informal letter, but if we have doing these questions for the last many years, so we must be in this position to distinguish between formal and informal letters. So you all must have the clarity about the format, because beta in English paper also now we have the stepwise marking. If your format is appropriate, then you will get the marks also. So next is clarity about sender and addressee. Yes, I think after going through all these slides, after going through my video, you must have the clarity about sender and addressee. And I have already told you that we are supposed to write the date like this or this, not this. This is the totally incorrect way of writing the date. Next is subject must be underlined. Yes, whatsoever the subject is, that should be underlined. No commas. No commas does not mean that we are not supposed to write the commas in the body of the letter. We have to write, we can write, we should write, we should use commas in the body, but not in this, right? So write complementary clause as yours, not yours. Yes, many of you have in the habit of putting this apostrophe s. No, this is the I can say most appropriate way to write this, yours. This is totally incorrect. Write in simple sentence. Yes, don't write complicated sentence, don't write compound sentences, write simple sentences, write short sentences. All parts of the letter are lined up on the left. Yes, according to new pattern, according to modern pattern of letter writing, everything should be written in this left hand side only. आपको हम बिल्कुल लेफ्ट हैंड साइड के साथ साथ लिखना है, मार्जिन के साथ साथ. कंटेंट शुड बी टू द पॉइंट. यस, नो नीड टू टेक एक्स्ट्रा पॉइंट्स और कुछ ऐसे पॉइंट लिए जाएं जो बिल्कुल यूजलेस हो. सो कंटेंट शुड बी टू द पॉइंट. नो स्लैंग लाइक totally avoid words like mom, dad, sis, bro. These type of words should be prohibited in this letter. Make paragraphs in the body of the letter. Yes, it's very important that you must make the paragraphs in the body of the letter. And the last point is very very important. Practice letter writing once in a week. Yes, make it a habit to write a letter once in a week. The letter can be written to any on any topic, but this practice, if you follow this practice of writing letter once in a week, then it's my guarantee you can get full marks in this letter writing question. So आई होप आपको अच्छा लगा होगा वीडियो. इफ यू हैव एनी क्वेरीज देन ड्रॉप द क्वेरीज एंड थैंक यू सो मच. प्लीज लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब इंग्लिश एयरवेज. एंड द फॉर्मल लेटर्स, अभी हमने बहुत से हमारे जो इसके टॉपिक हैं वो रह गए हैं, इसके अंदर बहुत से लेटर अभी आएंगे. So in the coming videos, I will be covering the remaining letters and informal letters also. Thank you.